Mimi, you need to clean your room.
Why does Mommy always tell me to clean my room?
Crayons, blocks, cars, and many stuffed toys.
Dirty little kitty.
Pajamas, backpacks, smelly socks, and many empty cans.
Dirty little kitty. This is boring.
The kitty's doing housework. Na 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 na.
Teddy? The magic wand? Aha! Bobbidi-boo!
The kitty's doing housework. She cleans her room. It's getting cleaner. Let's make it clean, clean.
Mommy will never find them.
Look, it's all clean.
La la la. Bibbidi-bobby.
Wow, it's so clean.
Clothes, socks, stuffed toys, they all popped out. The room's still dirty. Crayons, dolls, and cars, they're here again.
Dirty little kitty.
Ta-da! It's for you!
The kitty's doing housework. Na 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 na.
Housework is boring, and Mommy is angry. What do I do?
Don't worry, we can make housework fun! Arr.
The kitty has an idea. She cleans her room. It's getting cleaner. Let's make it clean, clean.
I found a lot of treasure today.
Look, it's all clean.
Wow! Yeah, it was so much fun.
Hey!
The kitty's doing housework. Na 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 na.
Oh.
Daddy, it's dirty over there. I can't reach it.
The kitty has an idea. She cleans her room. It's getting cleaner.
go!
Let's make it clean, clean. Look, it's all clean.
My room is all clean.
Meowvelous! Good job! Yeah!
What's this?
The kitty's doing housework. Na 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 na.
Wee-woo, wee-woo. Let's go. Stop right there, dust balls.
The kitty has an idea. She cleans her room. It's getting cleaner. Let's make it clean, clean.
I got you, dust balls.
Look, it's all clean.
Housework is so much fun. I love it.
Let's have some snacks!
Wow. Meow.
Kids, how can we have fun doing housework? Aha! We can send away our dirty clothes to explore the washing machine. We can give dirty dishes a shower. And we can drive a cool garbage truck to help clean up the trash. There is always a lot of housework to do, and we should do it together as a family.